I am dreaming of a rainy day. I look for a colorful umbrella to go out in the rain. I hear the pitter-patter of the rain. I put on my rain boots and raincoat and run out with my umbrella to play, jumping in puddles, splash, 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 feeling the raindrops on my face. I loved everything about the rain. Suddenly, a strong wind blew, and the umbrella flew. I ran behind the umbrella, but all in vain. Wake up, said Mama. I realized I was dreaming of a rainy day.
Down in the meadow, far away, an antelope met an ant one day. They found an alligator splashing in the bay. Animals with A having fun all day. Hungry to eat apples and apricots so sweet, they danced together with happy feet. Eating treats with the letter A. Having fun in every way.
My favorite color. I see a crayon. What color is it? Orange. I see the autumn leaf. What color is it? Orange. I see a goldfish. What color is it? Orange. I see a carrot. What color is it? Orange. I see a pumpkin. What color is it? Orange. I see a pair of shoes. What color are they? Orange. I see a basketball. What color is it? Orange. I see the morning sky. What color is it? Orange. Earth, our home. Earth, our home. We live on planet Earth. Earth is the greatest place to be. Earth has land, but much more water. The seas are full of life, with colorful creatures deep down below. On the land and up in the air, Earth has creatures everywhere. Open land, mountains, and streams. It's an amazing place to be. The plains and hills are bliss. The trees that give us breeze. Earth is the rocking place to be.
Come on and play, play, play. Apples and bananas. Stories and songs, songs, songs. In apples and bananas. Puzzles and games, games, games. In apples and bananas. English and math, math, math. In apples and bananas. Color and draw, draw, draw. In apples and bananas. Download the app, app, app. Apples and bananas.